Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Sri Lanka Sanchare YouTube channel. Today, we're exploring the unique and historic Heritance tea factory in beautiful Nuwara Eliya, Sri Lanka. Let's check it out. Originally built in the 19th century, the Heritance tea factory is now a luxurious hotel that offers a unique blend of history and modern comfort. Let's start by taking a look around this stunning property. Step inside and you're transported back in time. The hotel has retained much of the original tea factory's charm while providing all the modern amenities you'd expect from a luxury hotel. Each room offers stunning views of the tea plantations, creating a serene and relaxing atmosphere. One of the highlights of staying at the Heritance Tea Factory is the dining experience. The hotel's restaurant offers a variety of delicious dishes, many of which incorporate the freshest tea leaves from the surrounding plantations. While you're here, don't miss the chance to immerse yourself in the tea-making process. The hotel offers unique experiences like tea plucking, visits to the factory museum, and even tea tasting sessions. It's a wonderful way to learn about the rich history of Sri Lankan tea and appreciate the craftsmanship that goes into every cup. So, if you're looking for a unique and unforgettable stay in Sri Lanka, the Heritance Tea Factory in Nuwara Eliya is a must-visit. Thanks for joining us on this tour. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Sri Lanka Sanchare YouTube channel for more travel tips and guides. Until next time, happy travels!